Don't just say bag, learn the real word in fun, Giggle-Filled English. Backpack. Carried on the back, great for school, travel, or daily use. Tote bag. Large open-top bag with parallel handles, ideal for shopping or carrying essentials. Shoulder bag. Hangs from the shoulder, available in many sizes and styles. Crossbody bag. Worn across the body, great for hands-free convenience. Hobo bag. A large, soft, crescent-shaped shoulder bag. Bucket bag. Has a round bottom and drawstring closure, trendy and roomy. Fashion and statement bags. Clutch. Small, handheld bag, perfect for evenings or formal events. Satchel. Structured with a top handle and often a long strap, good for both work and style. Baguette bag. Small, rectangular, and worn under the arm, made famous by 90s fashion. Saddle bag. Inspired by equestrian gear, with a curved shape and flap. Envelope bag. Slim, flat, and shaped like an envelope, often used as a clutch. Professional and functional bags. Briefcase. Structured and formal, used for business or legal documents. Laptop bag. Designed with padding to protect laptops, often with compartments. Messenger bag. Worn across the body, used by students and professionals. Travel and utility bags. Duffel bag. Cylindrical and spacious, ideal for gym or short trips. Suitcase. Large travel bag with wheels for long-distance travel. Weekender bag. Medium-sized travel bag, great for weekend getaways. Fanny pack, bum bag, worn around the waist or crossbody, practical and trendy. Garment bag. Used to carry formal clothes without wrinkling. Specialty bags. Diaper bag. Designed for carrying baby essentials. Comes with compartments and bottle holders. Camera bag. Padded to protect camera gear and lenses. Makeup, a vanity bag. Small, structured bag for cosmetics and toiletries. Drawstring bag. Lightweight and casual, closes with a string at the top. Like, share and subscribe.